Okay, good evening, everybody. We are going to be learning about qualitative and quantitative observations today. So, does someone want to read today's objective out loud for us? Anyone can go ahead and just reach out.
Sure, I'll do it. I can understand what quantitative and qualitative observations are and can differentiate between the two.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Awesome. Okay. So we're going to start off with qualitative observations and explain what those look like. So you observe qualitative observations with your own five senses. So that's what you see, what you smell, what you taste, what you feel, and what you hear. So we're going to use this picture as an example and see what qualitative observations we can make about the picture. So the honey is yellow, so we can see that the honey is yellow. The honey smells sweet, so we'll use our nose and smell there to smell what it smells like. The honey tastes like sugar, so we'd be utilizing our taste sense in that one. The honeycombs are solid, so that we're using our touch to feel what the honeycombs feel like. And the bee is buzzing around. What sensory would that be? Does anyone know?
Your sound, your hearing.
Yes, hearing. Awesome. Okay. So next we're going to talk about quantitative observations. So you don't use your five senses for these, you use tools of measurement. So these could be rulers, thermometers, scales, and many more things. This involves a lot of numbers. You're always going to be using some type of scale or tool, just tool in general. And there'll usually be a unit of measurement with some numbers in there as well. So we're going to look at this snowy mountaintop here and make some quantitative observations about it. Okay, so the temperature is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The first tree in the front there is 40 feet tall. There are 3 inches of snow on the ground. The first tree weighs 5,000 pounds. Can anyone tell me what tool we would use to find that 5,000 pound number with?
A scale.
Yes, a scale. Awesome. Thank you. Okay. And lastly, the mountain is 6,000 feet above sea level. That would be our last quantitative observation. Okay, so next we're going to try and differentiate between the two qualitative or quantitative observations. So the first one, the sweater feels scratchy. Is that qualitative or quantitative? Anyone can go ahead and just speak out.
Qualitative.
Qualitative. And what sense are we using for that?
Touch.
Thank you. Awesome. Okay. The car is traveling at 60 miles an hour. Is that qualitative or quantitative? Anyone, feel free.
I'm going to say it's quantitative.
Quantitative. Awesome. And what measurement are we using there? Why is it quantitative?
Velocity, so miles per hour.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. All right, and then we'll do one more here. So the plant has grown 3 inches. Is that qualitative or quantitative?
Quantitative.
Okay, and why is it quantitative? What measurement are we using there?
Inches with a measuring stick.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna run through today's objective one more time. Anyone want to feel free to read that out for me?
I can understand what quantitative and qualitative observations are and can differentiate between the two.
Thank you. Okay, and so now I just want to see where we're at. You can give me a thumbs up, thumbs side, or thumbs down. How well do you think you know quantitative and qualitative observations? So really well, kinda, and not so much. Everyone, okay, awesome. Thank you all. Okay, so lastly, we have a fun little way to remember this. I'm gonna go first, and then y'all will go second. I'll do it with y'all the second time. So this is our little chant that we have. So here we go. Qualitative. I hear, I smell, I see. Quantitative. I count 1, 2, 3. Qualitative. All I need is me, and that's cool. Quantitative. For the rest, I'll use a tool. Okay. Does that make sense to everybody? Yeah? Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you guys can all unmute yourselves at the same time. Now we're going to go ahead and do this together. We'll start on 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Qualitative.
Qualitative.
I
Here I
Hear,
smell.
smell, I
I
see.
see.
Quantitative.
Quantitative.
I
I
count
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 1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3.
Qualitative.
Qualitative. All I need is me,
me.
and that's cool.
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 Quantitative.
Quantitative.
For
For
the
the
rest,
rest,
For the rest,
I'll need a
I'll
I'll
tool.
need a tool.
All right. Awesome, y'all. Awesome job. Thank you guys so much.